right, Joe, we're going to ask you to start the car.
I can't. My arms bother me. You want to start it? Go ahead.
My arms bother me.
No.
We have rights and residuals here.
These go back in.
Let me videotape it. You can have this car.
That'll be even better.
Okay, I'll tell Joe that's yours.
You tell Joe that Gary Coogan's taking his car. He knows.
I can't believe it. I've never been to one of these. This is unbelievable what you guys do.
There you go.
You're like ants all over these cars.
Yeah. Keystone Cops.
Yeah. Today, buddy?
Doing great here. Joe's got 4 cars here. Gonna get him judged.
We're gonna get a gold with all 4?
I think you
Bloomington Gold.
Yes.
This is Steve Walker.
Hi, Joe.
One of the judges from Bloomington Gold. Steve owned this car. When did you own this car?
I own this car from about 86 to 93.
Tell us a little bit about the car.
So the car was delivered, I think in Pennsylvania, but I'm not positive. Somewhere in that area. I found the car just north of Bloomington, right here in Chattanooga. And of course, it didn't look like this. A few road scars. A lot of history on the car. The car was owned by a Marine Green Beret and ran a farm up north here. And that's how I kind of discovered the car. Yeah, it's a great car. My first frame-off car. That's what got me really hooked into the hobby. And I done-topped the car at 93. So it was a big deal back then. Today it's kind of commonplace a lot of times. It's still a hard thing to pass.
What year was this car restored?
The car was restored starting around 1987, 88, I guess.
Started bringing it out to have it judged.
In 91.
So here we are 30
plus years.
30 plus years later
Yes.
at Bloomington. This car stored. Looks like 99 plus today at Bloomington Gold.
Yes.
Amazing restoration.
Thank you. Although
Amazing.
it's been touched a few times by other people, but,
Sure.
but it started with me because the car had never been framed off.
This car is called the Lindale car. It's called, right?
It is
Who
Lindale.
named that car the Lindale car?
I don't. It just kind of happened. It just happened. I was telling Joe that I have some really special photo ops of this car with Zora Dunthoff. He was alive when I got the award from him, and he was able to sign my awards, and there was some nice pictures of us together. So
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, it was.
Pretty awesome.
Very nice. But yeah, it's been a great car. I'm glad to see it. I've seen it change hands 3 or 4 times in my lifetime, so I know it's been around. I think it spent some time in Florida before it went to California. One of my friends in California called me and said, "Hey Steve, your car's for sale out here." So it's kind of stayed in touch with me all these years. So I'm glad you got it.
One of the reasons we bought this car is valuable from store. We did our car based sight unseen in California. Thrilled to have it.
Well, I don't think it'll be a disappointment. It's a phenomenal car. And well documented. It's got a lot of history.
So much.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you.
Judging it
Thank you,
today.
guys.
Mark is an NCRS judge, but Mark knows as much about the history of this as Steve does. Mark judged this
in Oklahoma in 1993 at the National. And now it's 30 years later, and I'm judging at Bloomington Gold.
So what do you think of the quality of the car 33 years later, 32 years later?
It is well done. It's a beautiful car. As always, you have quality cars, and it's fun to do it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Joe.
That's what you call a camera fight.
All the way from Clifton Park, New York. All the way home later here. Lindale Blue, Verrillo, Bedrock, Side Heights, Joseph Verrillo. Congratulations. Joe, you're going to be a familiar face here. Congratulations on Bloomington Gold. Thanks, man. Okay, this is still an Echo 68 147 Corvette. Did you do some work on this car? So this car has been partially restored. It has one of the Bloomington Gold work, and then you probably head back to 50 Park, New York, I guess. Then to Jersey. All right.